I'm cooking over here, and guess what? It's like a couple days before Halloween, so I thought I'd make some creepy Halloween treats here for you guys today. I had planned on making this one thing that would have been so awesome, but thanks Amazon Prime, even though I ordered it several days ago, it's not here yet. What do you pay, like $80 a year or something like that to be a Prime member? You can't get things here in time? Hey, what am I gonna do, man? So I got something different for you. This kind of comes from two different things. First off, I found this at the Aldi. It's cheese. You can wrap things in it and make like a cheese wrappy sandwich, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna make something even better than that. But I'm gonna use this cheese. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this cheese into strips. Like this. Cheese strips. I can take these strips. But I don't need both these out. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Put them to the side right there. Put that right there. Now, my assistant already broke open the crescent rolls. Because, I mean, it's so fun to break them open. It's like the best thing. It's like, oh, shabaka, shabaka, you know, and it goes, wah! So I'm pulling out some crescent rolls here. Down there. Put this over here. And here we go. Ready? So, I'm going to cut this into little strips. Somebody's knocked on my door, but I'm going to ignore it because I got important things to do right now over here. Cut this into strips. There we go. Cutting it. I need a more aggressive cutter. This is a good Halloween style cutter, don't you think? Oh, it's perfect too. Oh yeah, here we go. We're cutting now. We're cutting with science. This is my impressive cutter cutting. Okay, now you're like, what are you gonna do with all those cuts you got? Look at this, what else I got here? Boom, I got a hot dog. Now I'm gonna take these cuts of dough and I'm wrapping them around the hot dog to create the effect of a mummy, like wrapped in mummy cloths. So I'm just kind of randomly wrapping it around here, and it's going to be amazing. Remember, these things will expand in the oven because they're crescent rolls. So I'm just kind of wrapping it up, you know. This is going to be like Pinterest worthy at the end, I'm pretty sure. Oh man, this is gonna be so cool. Well, you guys are gonna like freak out, like, whoa, I didn't know you were such a gifted artisan of the chefing world. And you'd be like, oh yeah, I am. I'm that kind of gifted. So there's one wrapped up. I can put over here in the thing. I can take the other one, I'm gonna wrap this one up too. Oh boy, here we go. It's very exciting. Just kind of random wrapping. That's called freestyle when you randomly wrap, you know. There you go. Oh, the big one. This is before I got my good fancy knife out. I'm gonna need a couple little bit more here. Chop, chop, chop. This is a great knife. And there couldn't be a better knife for Halloween than that knife, I don't think either. Alright. So now, these are gonna go in the oven for about 10 minutes or so, whatever it says in the crescent roll container. And I'll be back. And we're back. Here we go. So look at these things. Look how amazing they look. They got little eyeballs on them, little candy eyeballs. Look, they're wrapped up in mummy stuff. Look at this one. It's got the cheese all over the outside. Look at this one's also got the cheese all over the outside. I can feel them. They're very hot. I can feel how hot they are. But I need to eat it for you guys so you can see like how awesome it is. So I'm gonna grab one. I don't care about no heat, as they say. Bon appetit here. Oh my god. That's really good. Did you ever go to Aunt Annie's? You had the pretzels with the rolled up in the hot dogs? It tastes better than that. And I love that. Aunt Annie's one of my favorite places in the whole wide world. I'll see you next week. Go vote!